Yes, go ahead.
So I have a question about gifts. Let's say a person has this gift of, I don't know, he's really good at making music or painting or whatever, and for some reason this gift is kind of leading him astray. He's kind of separating himself from Hashem because he's kind of focusing too much on it or whatever. So would it become a mitzvah if the person quits this gift or doing anything related to it if it's for the sake of not separating himself from Hashem anymore?
I didn't get one more. So would it be mitzvah for a person to do what with the gift, to give it to somebody else, or what is it?
No, to stop doing anything related to it. Let's say if the person has a gift for music and he says it's like leading him astray,
Oh,
so he
gifts.
decides.
I apologize. So in my mind somehow I had I thought this idea gift that somebody gave you something, like you said music, maybe somebody gave you a CD or something. I apologize. Okay, so I got it. So now he has a special talent, special gift from HaShem about music, and that is the leading him away. So is it proper to stop it? Okay, if it leads a person away, yeah, it's proper to stop it, absolutely. And that's what I see personally. That's what happened with me personally. I don't know exceptions. Maybe there are exceptions. I'm not aware an exception with all of the musicians, all of them. Even though that start very kosher, then they wanted to be more popular, to play in front of bigger crowd and be friendly and behave like non-Jews, and it happened like all of them went down spiritually, all of them. Maybe there are exceptions, but I'm not aware of the exception. And even somebody that start kosher and then they say maybe on this event I'm going to allow mixed dancing, mixed sitting, men and women are going to sit next to each other. You understand? So that's unfortunately. So music is good, but if for self if person is not going to do anything with the music, like not for the public. I mean, you can play for the public, but again, like even if being musician, right? For example, you're part of the band. They're going to invite you to a wedding. They say, I said, is going to be kosher, and it's kosher, 100% kosher, glad kosher, right? Whatever it means, right? So you go and they start dancing in the middle or whatever, like men and women together. So what are you going to do? Would you be able to stop and walk away? They're going to sue you, right? It's not such a simple thing. So it's better not to go into all of these questionable like professions and use talent. So if you feel that your talent, whatever you have, leading you like aside, astray, so it's better to stop it or find how you can use it in a kosher way. If not everything is possible, but some things you can use in a kosher way, right? So as it says about David Hamelach, so he was like bloodthirsty, like he was ginger, like red hat, right? Bloodthirsty, so he could be warrior, and he was a warrior, and he did a lot of good for Israel, right? And when he was not in war, he was a big rabbi who would check women bdika cloth, this cloth that they would check themselves when the blood spot with the kosher, not like is she allowed, not kosher, is she allowed to her husband, not allowed to the husband. So he would bring this, she would bring to the king of Israel, and he was he would look at this blood spot from a woman, right, from her uterus, and decide is that she's pure or not pure. So this gift, like this drive or talent to deal with blood, he used for the most kosher way possible. Meaning what? What is kosher? He would allow husband to be with his wife, right? With the husband in a God's permissible way. So right. So that's very positive. So many times, like if person would pressure himself down and if he has some passion, some talent, and try to kill it, it's not suppress it. It's not going to work out very well. At least not for a long time. So many times you just have to find some kosher expression of that talent and minimize it, of course. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So, technically speaking, would it make sense to say that if Hashem decides to give certain talent or gift to someone, is because He knows that person can handle it?
Yes. And not only gifts and talents. I just want to add, like all of the sufferings, right? All of the challenges that the person has in this life, right? It's only because Hashem knows that we can handle it and we can win. Otherwise, Chas v'shalom, He would be like torturing us for no reason. So if you Rabbi Reuven Shlita always say, it's like you have 3 years old child, and you tell this child, take 18-wheeler truck, right, and carry it like upstairs. So it's impossible. Everybody knows it's impossible. So what you asking to punish the child? You don't ask to punish the child. So you ask, Hashem ask of us whatever we can in our power to overcome. That's why whatever test we have, like it's specifically tailor made for us to overcome. And never look down on the other person that he cannot pass the test, he cannot pass his test, and you cannot you're struggling with your test. So let's right. So we will try not to look down, and opposite, we try to help the person if we can. But if you do not qualify, do not try point this person to the right direction. We also have this issue when people ask their friends, like a woman, she was about to get divorced, and she asked the marriage advice about this girlfriend that divorced twice. Like, you normal, but they're in very close relationships. You understand? She would ask marriage advice. So okay.